wouldn't just run 23 miles and call it a marathon. You wouldn't go to the gym and not know exactly how much you're lifting. Then why would you sacrifice accuracy when it comes to your body? Knowing your boundaries means when to push your limits or when you're overtraining. That's why we created Senson, the first clinically accurate heart rate monitor that's incredibly comfortable to wear. Heart rate and breathing rate are important data for understanding your workout intensity. We have achieved clinical-grade accuracy by using a 3-electrode design that measures your heart's electrical pulses. This gives us precision down to plus or minus 1 beat per minute. We designed Senson to be extremely comfortable and to flex with your movements. Senson is compatible with popular fitness apps on your mobile devices. Simply put it back in the case and it'll be ready to go for your next workout. We have completed all the modeling, tooling, and trial runs. Senson is ready to go. Support our campaign to help us get the first production run started. Do what you could not do yesterday.
Hi, I'm Rob Law, the inventor of Trunky, the original ride-on suitcase for globe-trotting tots. 4 years ago, we set off on a journey to create the ultimate luggage for teens and created something we think has much wider appeal.
Crank it up.
Journey is a carry-on suitcase for the next generation of connected travellers. The cabinet-style storage and adjustable dividing shelf offers flexibility, all protected in a durable hard plastic shell. Find what you want when you want it. The portable pod keeps your essentials close to hand. Pop it and go. Create your own space on the go and immerse yourself back into the digital world. Glide on through. Queue busting just got easier. The removable pod is made from a durable plastic composite with a splashproof seal. The inline and pull-along wheels are custom designed skate wheels with smooth gliding ball bearings. Designed for longevity with simple to fit spare parts, which will also provide future upgradability. Trunky took off because no luggage solution really met the needs of parents and children. Our journey started with 2 simple observations. Young people love their tech and they're constantly glued to their mobiles or mini tablets. When travelling, they also crave their space and independence. We wanted to solve these insights by using classic product design, not throwing in gizmos and gadgets and building an app for that, which would just drive up complexity and cost. We collaborated with industry-leading engineers to create a super strong but incredibly light structure. We call it the I-beam, and its patented design can take up to 220 pounds of sitting weight. We built tons of prototypes and ironed out all the technical challenges while styling its form to be both streamlined and functional, designing a product to be really cool, really intuitive, yet fully manufacturable. My team has successfully brought loads of award-winning products to market. We're a design-led business who are passionate about making family travel easier with our pioneering travel products. I launched Trunky 9 years ago on reality TV, but left Dragon's Den, that Shark Tank to our American cousins, empty-handed and humiliated. But the public saw through it, were hugely supportive, and their overwhelming backing allowed me to sell over 2.5 million Trunkies. By backing us on Indiegogo, you'll get one of the very first Journey suitcases to hit the market. You'll have also helped influence future product developments, and together we'll be able to make every journey a breeze. Journey, it's your space.
Hi, I'm Matthew. 10 years ago, I set up a company that sells coffee and coffee machines throughout the UK. As well as being a business owner and a coffee lover, I'm also an engineer. And for the last 6 years, I've been working on a device that can now lay claim to being the world's first perfect portable coffee maker. So what's different about this device? You can use it anywhere, anytime, any place, whether it's on the tram, out and about, or just in the office. This is the the world's first perfect portable coffee maker. Have you ever wondered why the coffee that you get at home never ever tastes as good as the coffee that you get from your local coffee shop? Well, there is a reason for that, and the main reason is that you're not using a machine that costs thousands and thousands of dollars or pounds. A commercial coffee machine, similar probably to the one being used in your local coffee shop, is going to be doing a number of things to make sure that it creates the perfect cup of coffee. Number one, it's going to be preparing the coffee correctly for the beverage that's about to be made. Number two, it's going to be maintaining the correct pressure throughout the brewing process. This in turn will lead to the correct flow rate being used of the water passing the coffee particles. And last of all, this will in turn give you the correct extraction and will also stop the coffee from over extracting. Okay, so that all sounds very technical and quite complicated. But this little device controls all of those aspects without the need for electricity and just at a fraction of the cost. So making coffee on the device is really easy. Add your coffee, add hot water, let the level rise on the outside chamber, top up with hot water, press down on the outer casing to brew the coffee under pressure, and you're left with a rich tasting, perfectly brewed portable coffee. The oomph is insulated by design with an air barrier around the entire device. A smart turbine corrects for variations in ground coffee, so you can use a range of different grinds. Whenever the user drinks, the dynamic mixer stirs the coffee so that it tastes the same from beginning to end. Cleaning the oomph is fast and simple. Add a small amount of water, pump up and down to internally clean, and you're ready to use again. So after 6 years of development, we've got working prototypes making great coffee. We've had it tested by all the experts, and what we need help with now is we need your pledge to help to bring the oomph to market. Thanks for listening.
I love eating great food, and I love sharing great food that I made. Cooking can be stressful, especially when making new food, cooking for a family or entertaining guests. How many times have you made a recipe well once, but can't duplicate the results the next time when you serve to friends? Hi, I'm Chris. We wanted an easy way for aspiring cooks like me to make food perfectly every time, so we created the Paragon Induction Cooktop. A critical element of cooking food right is temperature. Paragon takes the guesswork out of cooking with this wireless sensor that communicates the precise temperature of your food to the cooktop. The cooktop uses a constant stream of information to adjust the burner power level so that your food is cooked to perfection. You just set the temperature and walk away. One of the coolest applications of Paragon Precision Cooking is called sous vide. It's a method that's been used in top restaurants for years because it produces consistent results with very little supervision. Simply seal the ingredients in an airtight bag and place them in a pot of water. Attach the magnetic temperature sensor, set the desired temperature, and press start. You can use the optional Paragon mobile app to find the right time and temperature for your food in 3 simple touches. Paragon maintains precise water temperature to cook food evenly throughout. Once it's done cooking, briefly sear and serve. With sous vide, you can achieve edge-to-edge medium rare, medium well, or whatever you like. With Paragon's precise temperature control, you can be sure that food will be cooked perfect every time.
I got into barbecue because I have a serious passion for consistency. One of the key factors of achieving restaurant quality is time and temperature control, and that's one of the reasons I love the Paragon.
We wanted to design a simple countertop cooker that is both functional and elegant. I don't like having extra stuff in my kitchen, so I wanted to develop an appliance that can do several things and do them well. Paragon is versatile. It can deep fry, sous vide, sear, saute, or just maintain food at serving temperature. You can remotely check on the progress of your food and even get notifications when it's ready. Paragon will hold food at the right temperature until ready to serve so you can focus on what you want to do. With the Paragon induction cooktop, you can easily master the art of precision cooking. Paragon is coming about through collaboration with a community of designers, engineers, and food scientists who are fueling the evolution of home cooking. Using our open source API, community members are already working on additional applications, like brewing beer and making candy. And it's just the beginning. With your help, we will improve the app, lower cost of production, and enhance features. I've been developing appliances for over 13 years, and Paragon is the product that I have always wanted. I'm excited to finally bring it to market so that you can enjoy it too. By backing us on Indiegogo, you will become one of the first people to master the art of precision cooking.